Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. You know what I'll say next, no? It's fucking Friday again. How this week passed so fast, I don't know. So, let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at CME. Traditional market is kind of closed today, so we'll see what will happen. Bitcoin. CME, you can see we are fighting this area here. A bit of retracement in the morning. We closed strong, relatively strong here. You can see we closed above 110. On the spot market, on the index, we closed just a bit below 110. Yeah. But on CME, we have 110. Another close here. Morning, Darren. Morning, Ricky. Morning, Bova. Hey, Timi, Noure, Ivan, Sebastian, Cătălin, Andrei, Stinsky. Sorry, man. Destroying your name. Well, people, let's see what we can get today. So, that's my thinking. 110 here, 109 something. Nice close, strong close. I don't know, people saying that, well, it's not enough. Well, maybe it will take some time until it will break out. I could see Bitcoin, another good news, and see Bitcoin at 120? Yep, pretty fucking fast. Also, I could see a bad news and Bitcoin exactly at 100k testing this candle here. Yes, also. So we have to adapt and we have to plan what I will do if the market will come here. And what I'll do if the market will go straight up to 110. Yeah, it's about planning, it's about opportunities, risk management, and probabilities. I see people asking, even in premium or VIP chat, asking what is next, what will happen, where will the price will go. Who the fuck knows? We are guessing here. Well, based on what happened in the past, seeing the pattern now, I think we have a 55% chance that will go up. But nothing more than that. Hey, Stefan. So, that's CME. Classic chart similar. You can see the close is strong. Also here, nothing bullish. We took this liquidity here a little bit. Not enough. I think we'll push higher. A lot of liquidity hidden here. Will happen today, will happen this weekend. I don't know. This high here could be, let's remove this one and put it here. No, this is something else. 1 second. Is this a good hedge short or a SFU play? Yeah, I think we can play an SFU here. But playing SFU at the reclaim. Because what could happen, market will push here. And if it doesn't reclaim, could push a lot higher. So we want market to take the liquidity and come back down and close below. And that's our entry. Okay. That's Bitcoin on daily. Let's see Ethereum a little bit. Well, we closed above the middle of the range. We confirmed this ugly but okay-ish W. Yeah? So that confirms my thinking AB equals CD. Well, this AB equals CD will happen until tomorrow? No. You can see if we respect the trade here, the move and the time, we should be there in August. End of August, we should be at 3,600. So 1 month from now. Could happen faster? Yes. Could happen slower? Yes. But I think will be faster than slower. We'll see. So, again, I'll say the same thing. You see the market at 2,500. Don't fuck around here. Look left. And if you are not, it's not enough for you to convince to stay the fuck out. Look left even more. You want more? Well, look more. Okay? You'll understand that it's not a good idea to fuck around with 2,500 level. Okay. Well, if you buy 2,500 and let's say you're a position trader and you put a stop loss below 2,000, well, okay, that's something else. It's a one trade, works or doesn't work. But fucking around on lower time frame over and over again, it's a mistake. Bitcoin, Ethereum, let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance a little bit. It's still there, still fucking around with us. No EM yet. It's just staying there. If the EM will confirm, a lot of altcoins are prepared to pump. If the EM will not confirm, some selected ones will pump, the rest will just stay flat there at the bottom. Okay, now let's take a look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We have the bot, we are exactly at the entry. We have one low, two lows, three lows. It's a AB equals CD, but also a bot setup. You can see 25%, 3 to 1. We are at the entry point. Nothing we can do here. Either you want it, you like it, and you take it, or you don't. Okay, now let's take a look at ES on CME on daily. Well, we closed yesterday with a new all-time high. Can you see it? Nice and clean. A new day, a new all-time high, people. Don't fuck around, don't short that one without a clear setup, because you are just asking for trouble. Could push higher, a lot higher. Faster, slower, doesn't matter. You don't have any structure here to say, well, I see divergence, I see EMs, I see 3-bar fractal tops, I'll short. Not even a 3-bar fractal. Nothing. A new day, a new all-time high. So, okay, you are not able to chase, but at least respect the pump. Well, this pumping is damn strong. Not even 3-bar fractals anymore. That means it's damn strong, it's really strong. Just leave it alone. If you have stocks, enjoy it. If you are long on this one from lower levels, okay. If not, just leave it alone. And at the same time, seeing ES so strong, you think it's a good idea to short altcoins, to short Bitcoin specifically? I think not. Gold, well, it's playing around here. I could see it at the range high, yes. I could see a W here for an LJ, yes. Will be the best one? No. I prefer an LJ here. The W to be here at least, or lower. Here, we already have too much resistance here. So no 2 to 1, no trade for me. Total market cap, in the same place. Like I said multiple times. Yeah, the good thing is we are above 3 trillion. What I don't like is that we still have these highs and this one. The higher the better. The higher the close, the better for a bull market. Total 3, similar stuff. Shitcoins. Yesterday they pumped a little bit. Today they are retracing, forming the bottom. For me, all this price action at the bottom, it's opportunities. I don't have enough money to buy exactly and the quantity as I want, all the shitcoins I want. That's my problem. Other people have other problems. But I have this one. I don't have enough money to afford to buy as much as I want and everything I want. Because the market is giving me opportunities, giving me discounts. I could go on the entire list, is the same thing. We are forming daily, even weekly Ws. Perfect area to load. They will pump tomorrow? No, probably not. Because forming a bottom on weekly takes some time. Forming a bottom on daily still takes some time. At some point in time, they'll consolidate, they'll say enough, it's enough, and they'll pump. And then some people, after a 2x, 5x pump, they'll call me or DM me on Discord and ask me where to buy this one. I like it. Now, honestly, nobody is DMing me what shitcoin I should buy. Nobody. Morning, Andrei. Morning, Bucur. Morning, Catalin. So retracement a little bit, not bad. Not bad at all. That's how a bottom is formed. Let's go on a lower time frame and let's see what we have. 4-hour chart, SFU level. You remember I said a couple of days ago, 108,900. It's an important level for me. Above is strong, below it's strong but not so strong and not weak. And you can see we are kind of forming an EM here. And it's holding multiple times. We hold this level. Will bounce? I don't know. Will break down a little bit? Possible. I have a setup here? No. If I didn't took the short here yesterday in the live stream, I don't think I'll do it now. Lower time frame. Let's take a look at 1 hour. Well, nothing special. As in my opinion, this is a small weak support here at 108,900. Will hold or not? I don't know. On 1 hour, you can see the divergence confirmed here on RSI. Some small EMs on OBV. So market wants to dump a little bit to correct before we'll pump. We had by the rumor. We can correct a little bit and then we can continue higher. So going back down here, this area 107,500, it's untested here. So we can test that level and then make a W. The key for a long, because we don't have a good location for a long, but if you want to long, the key here it's W's. If you see W's, you can attempt to buy. Why? The trend is up. The news are bullish. So if you see a W, that means usually a pump. So hunt W's. The lower the better, but we'll take what we'll get. Ethereum, shoulder, head, shoulder, target here on this support. Look left, possible. Look at it. That's a fucking textbook head and shoulder pattern, people. With bearish divergence on RSI, you know what I like about how I like to see my head and shoulder patterns. I want to see divergence in indicators from this shoulder to the head. If I have that one, then I consider the pattern. If I don't have divergence, I don't even look at it. It's just normal price action. But here on Ethereum, we have something. You can see high, higher high. High, lower high. Confirmation here. Now we are at the neckline. The best opportunity to play this kind of pattern was here. But that's gone now. You want to take the neckline here? Find a way to frame a setup? Okay. The target for this one is not the best one on head and shoulders. If you play the neckline, it's 1-to-1, man. So I don't think it's the best. But let's do something. So that's the neckline. And that's the top. We take that and we put it here. And the target for this one is here. Maybe a bit lower here. $2,450 kind of idea. Okay, so up to you. I will take a short on Ethereum. I'll be honest, no. I see the pattern there. It's clear. It's in my plan. Yes, I'll take it. No, because also in my plan says don't fucking short altcoins in 2025. So no. But the pattern is there, the location is there. Location is not the best. It's 2,500, ugly as shit. But I could see this one behaving like a magnet, attract the price here, then overreact here, complete this pattern, and then restart and retest this level again. But we can see the pattern here. It's a clear head and shoulder pattern. What will happen, I don't know. I'll take the setup I told you, no. The rest is up to you. You want to take it? Be my guest. Okay. Solana holding like a champ here. Still holding. Solana at some point in time will explode without anyone expecting it. And that's my thinking. I have spot bags all over the place. A lot of phantom wallets have Solana in it. I'm okay with holding Solana here. Tao, like I told you, just give it some room. You need a clear W the other side of the trend line, and you can see this wasn't a clear one. This is an M here. Hopefully it will not break down. If it will break down, you wait for the next W on this side of the trend line. Stefan told you where to buy it. I don't know if we'll get that level or not. Maybe Stefan is smarter than me. I'm just a stupid trader that plays level by level. That's me. Tia, well, we made nice money, people. Nice money on Tia. People, let's put the top. The top of the top here was at 14R. And we talked about this setup everywhere. You took it or not? I don't know. It's not my job to take your set, to take the setup. My job is to take the setups on my accounts. And I did, and I'm happy. This week cannot become bad anymore with this trade. Look at the risk to reward. Made nice money. And it's not the only one, but just look at that one. I need more trades to have a profitable week? No. Anyway, now don't chase it here. You can see it's forming a range. It's close to the top of the... This is a big W on higher time frame. Don't get me wrong. This is a daily, weekly W forming, trying to form. But on 4-hour chart and lower, you don't want to buy here. Okay? You want to wait for a retracement and then to load. Will this W confirm at some point in time? Probably yes. Yes, we don't talk about PITE, not low enough, and nothing we can do. It's consolidating, it's strong. We have an M here. Long reload zone. You know my. Same with SSV, forming some bottoms. Some W's trying to form. Lower time frame, yeah, you can hope for a long reload zone. Higher time frame, I see W's everywhere. You know my way of seeing the market. Hype. I told you don't fuck around with hype because it's in a range here. We had a nice move up. Okay, we are strong. We did it. We played from $9 to $45. Nice move if you bought $10. It's a 4x. You cannot hope better than that in these conditions. So hopefully you made some money. But now it's in a range. It's consolidating. Could go from $40 to $80. Yeah, at some point in time. But also could go and retest 20 and something. This is just the perpetual on Binance, but go and find a chart with all the history and you'll understand. We bought $10 honestly I sold some at 40 here. I want to reload at least at, I don't know, below 20. Portal. Well, this motherfucker was the yesterday play. You remember? A stupid trader told you that, well, look at this one. I just framed it in a live stream because I saw it exactly there. So A, B, C, D, W below 33, above 66. I framed it in the yesterday live stream. Go and watch it if you want. And I said I'll buy it at the market here, exactly the neckline. Some people managed to take it. I posted on general chat. And look what happened. Sometimes the market is moving straight up, hits your take profit, and that's it. That's a 5-to-1, people. So 14-to-1, 14R, 5R. Profitable week in my opinion. Keep in mind that Bitcoin fuck around in the same area for the entire week and is driving the beginners nuts with that range. And Ethereum is fucking around at 2,500. We managed to take 2 trades and make nice money. Really nice money, in my opinion. Let's say you risked 0.5% per trade. And you got here 0.5, 5R, 2.5. Then on the other side you have 14, so 5 points. Yeah, almost 10% from 2 trades. Come on, just risking 0.5 per trade. We don't count the other trades. Stefan posted a lot of trades. Stefan posted Ethereum at the lows. I talked about Ethereum at $2,400 and we made nice money. There are more trades this week, but just 2 of them, the best ones. It's 10%, people. Risking 0.5. You need to risk more than 0.5 or 1% per trade to make money? No. When I see people, I'm risking 2% because I have confidence. I'm risking 5% because I have confidence. Fuck your confidence. Play a plan, play a setup, don't fuck around with the risk management. 5% is huge. If you have confidence and the market doesn't have confidence in your confidence, and you have 5 trades with 5% hitting your stop loss, that's 25%. And that will fuck your confidence. After a 25% drawdown on your account or more, that will fuck around with your confidence and your plan and your head and your aptitude and everything. Okay? So, respect the risk management, play 0.5 or 1% and don't fuck around. Confidence is for something else. When you are attracting girls, when you are, I don't know. Here it has to be boring. If you are a day trader, if you are a swing trader, if you are an investor, yeah, you can put some confidence up to, I don't know, 2%, 4%, but not more than that. Different strategy, different approach on the risk management side. So next time when you see YouTubers saying I have confidence and I put 2% or I'm risking 5% on this trade, hopefully you'll remember to say, well, Paul said something about it, something ugly. That will be easier for you to remember. Now it's funny, Stefan? Okay. Remember that I told you the same thing years ago. Anyway, people, play risk management. I showed you, I'm showing you, Stefan is showing you, if you are in VIP or in premium, is showing you week by week, over and over again, that you don't need more 0.5 or 1% risk per trade to make nice money. Month after month, week after week. You don't need more than that. But some people don't even know how to calculate the position size to risk 0.5% from their portfolio. Okay? They don't know how to calculate the position size. But if I ask them, well, tell me what's your status in crypto? I'm intermediate. Really? Okay. And when I'm ask them, well, give me the TV username. What is that? They don't know the abbreviation from TradingView, but they are intermediate or advanced. Advanced in what? Staring at the screens? Sorry, people, but that's the cruel reality. Nothing with the people that don't have experience, but admit it, I don't fucking have experience. I was fucking around for 4 years. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm here because I didn't find a solution by myself, and I want you guys to give me a solution. Give me something to work on and make me profitable. Just admit it. Because after you admit it, you don't have to admit it to me. Admit it to yourself. After you admit that, the learning will start. Because you admit you are stupid, you don't know, and you need to learn. As long as you tell yourself that you know what you're doing, you'll not want to learn. And you see, we promote here the same fucking thing. Stupid trader approach, level by level. I don't know what the market will do. I'll play my plan and my setups. That will keep my ego down. And when I'll hit a stop loss, it's something normal. I'll not fuss about it. It's something normal. Overall, at the end of the week, I'm profitable. I'm making money. I don't need to be smart. Sorry about the rant, but you know, sometimes I cannot, I don't know, stop myself. Alt, head and shoulder, breaking down, neckline, retest, going down. But in the same time, you don't want to attack that one. Okay, but what you want, well, is going down. Where? Where the fuck is going down? Well, let's see. I know where it's going down without even putting the fib on it. There you go. Here. See some confluence at 78.6 or in the middle of the long reload zone on 1 hour chart? I think you see it. I definitely do. And let's put only the candle bodies. I don't want the wicks. Wicks are wicks. There you go. If we hit this level, okay, if we hit this level and we make a small W there, that's an entry. If we hit 78.6, we can take entry here, stop loss here, and so on. I prefer W's, but we'll see. Bryden, we don't do TA on fart shit and things like that. If you want, there are a lot of influencers happy to help you. Yeah. They are talking for months and months ago about fart, doing this, doing that, and it's fucking ranging from $1 to $2. And people, they direct their attention on the wrong thing. When they should look at TIA, for example, for some nice setups. They could look at Portal, for example, for nice setups. Yeah, this one made a double in 2 days. And they are looking at Fartcoin. So if you are a Fartcoin fan, I don't want to offend you. We just don't do TA. We don't frame setups. We don't trade them. Okay? Morning, Christian. My shitcoin supportability is limited. Okay, I'll play some shitcoins, some meme coins, but when they are fartcoin, shitcoin, butthole, things like that, no, thank you. If you want to invest and make money with it, brag to your friends, well, I bought some fartcoin and I made a lot of money. I bought this car with fartcoin. Go ahead. I don't even want to touch it. Yeah, there are so many options in this crypto space that I don't need to go there. I don't even need to think about it. I'm just making fun of the influencers that are farting they are doing TA on Fartcoin. Okay? Okay. I know that other people will come and they'll ask the same question and they'll get the same fucking answer. So many. Okay, I'll take some requests soon enough. Dex screener shitcoins here. Oh, some of them are pumping, some of them are dumping, like Arena, for example. Maybe finally will come back down here where I wanted. No? Well, we had overnight something nice. Yeah, we had. We had 0.6 cents. That's a retest of this one. Well, what will happen? I don't know. We'll see. Okay. So, some of them are still buyable. Like Slerf, I showed you the 4 hour, the daily chart. I show you the W. You want to buy this one or dollar cost average lower. The advantage of this one, look at liquidity locked, 39, market cap 34. It's not a mistake, it's the reality. The creator of this shitcoin mistakenly, seems like, he locked the entire money on the liquidity side and nothing he can do about it. So now 40 million, 50 million, depending how much Sol is worth, is locked there. Yeah, so if you want to buy a shitcoin, well, Slerf could be something nice. And Slerf, look at it. It's pumping, it's dumping. For the moment, it's consolidating. Okay, let's take some requests. And I see people love to talk about shitcoins. Pengu. Well, let's look at Pengu then. Let's Pengu. Well, we have a weekly W forming here. You want $2 cost average on this one? I don't know. I don't know how high it could pump. But look, in April we had a small W. Okay? And we talked about at that point in time about this one. Pengu. Okay. Now we had another W here. See it? Every W is producing nice results. You have a W here? No, you have a big one. Could this one give you a 2-to-1 retest of this high? Yes, but it's not the best approach. If we retrace back at 1 cent, then maybe. Okay? Then maybe yes. The next one is Pepe. Pepe has some strength in it. I saw it. Daily. Well, Pepe started here. At any point in time, you can expect the market to go back and retest that point, that one. So don't sell your house and buy Pepe. Okay? First of all. Because could go here really fast. But looking at what happened last time, W breakout retest pump. Now you are in close to the long reload zone. You can take the next W. Or LJ here if you know how to play an LJ, if you know what an LJ setup is. I don't think you do. But that's a different story. So W the other side of the trend line, completely the other side. And that's your signal. Okay? So that's Pepe. Buyable in the long reload zone. Dollar cost average, it's okay. I don't know how much you want to invest in Pepe. The Pepe meme, it's funny. And the team, it's good. And the community is nice. They'll force another pump in the next bull market? Probably, yes. So you should have a little bit. Okay. News, we don't have the important big news. I don't know. I didn't even look at the rest of them, but I know I don't have high impact. Twitter is tweeting. The people are becoming bullish and more bullish, and people, how to say it? Usually when you see Twitter in a bear market, when you see Twitter bullish, is the sign of a top. But at the same time, think about it. On the 4-year cycle, you need everyone to be bullish and to push the price, to be hyped up, to push the price even higher, no? So I think slowly, everyone being bullish on Twitter is not a sign of the top anymore. It's a sign of the hype and a potential exponential move to the upside. Sooner or later. Yeah. So, yeah, in the bear market, when you see Twitter bullish, your timeline being full of bullish posts, well, okay, let's look for a top. But we are at the end of the 4-year cycle. So I don't think it's valid, that thinking in this period. Usually is on traditional market, on crypto, on everything. But when you are close to an exponential move, you need everyone to be bullish. You need everyone to be bullish to get more people that will become bullish, that will buy, until at some point in time, everyone it's already in and nobody left to buy. That's the top. Logic. No more energy, no more buyers, because everyone bought hoping for higher. So that's how a top, an exponential top is for. And then a guy will say, well, I'm enough with this profit, and the other guy will say, well, fuck it, I see a retracement, and he will sell, and then a cascade straight down. Steps up, elevator down. Yeah, grid, steps on grid, you see the grid is becoming slowly higher and higher when you're not getting greedier all of the sudden, because there are two emotions driving the market. Greed that is increasing step by step, and fear that's hitting all of the sudden. That's why we have steps up, elevator down. Simple. I don't know why people overcomplicate things. So, that being said, market is still holding this level. Will bounce or will not? My 2 cents? We'll just fuck around at this level, 110. We can stay here for months. Will be good for altcoins instead. So our attention should be here, not on Pepe, on Bitcoin dominance. If we'll accept above this neckline, below this neckline, then we can just imagine 5 points from 65 to 60%. 61 here, 38.2 retracement. And that will be enough for us to make some nice money. That being said, people, I talked about 35 minutes. Sorry about the bad language, and about the rant, but that's necessary sometimes. So take the good things from my rant, not the bad words. Keep a journal, respect the risk management. You are here to make money, not to fuck around and donate money to influencers. That being said, see you people in New York session if you are a premium member. See you in VIP session in 2 minutes if you are a premium or VIP member. And see you Monday morning if you are from general. Yeah, Monday morning we'll start with weekly crypto review. We still have, for the moment, the VIP open for registration. 1 or 2 days, I don't know. I think Sunday will be the last day. But in the same time, I don't know how many places are left. If I remember correctly, 2 or 3 of them. Okay. Let's call it a live stream. Protect your capital. If you have questions, feel free to tag me. Feel free to tag Stefan. Feel free to ask your question. Don't ask where the price will go next. Don't ask to do TA on Fartcoin. Ask good questions and you'll get good answers. See you guys.